Nebbiolo is one of the very most famous of all red wine grape varieties in Italy, Nebbiolo. It produces some of the most famous wines in Italy, particularly in the Piedmontwine region of northern Italy. Nebbiolo makes the famous wines of Barolo, Barbaresco, but you will also find quite a lot of Nebbiolo around the areas of Alba and Asti. Nebbiolo, for the typical Italian pronunciation, Nebbiolo, Nebbiolo. Note that there is a double B to Nebbiolo, so you do want to insist on the B. Nebbiolo, Nebbiolo, Nebbiolo. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.